how to remove member from Messenger group. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Messenger on your device. You will land on the chat section. Select the group chat where you want to remove someone. Then tap on the info icon at the top right corner. Scroll down a bit. Under chat info, you will find an option to see members. Tap on it. Then you will see a list of all the group members. Before removing someone from the group, please note that you must be an admin of that group. If the list of group members is long, you can tap on the Admins tab to see a list of all the admins in that group. As you can see, I am an admin. That means I have access to remove someone from this group. With that note in mind, go back to the All tab, find the group member that you want to remove. Once found, single tap on their name. A pop-up menu will appear. At the bottom, you will see an option to remove from group chat. Tap on it. As you can see, that person is no longer available on the list. Please note that other group members will also get notified that the selected person was removed from the group. To confirm, go back to the group chat. As you can see, there is a message at the bottom saying you removed the selected user from the group. And boom, you have successfully learned how to remove a member from Messenger group chat. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.